Hey, it's Michael with John's Waterproofing. We were over here in West Salem at a farmhouse. It was 1940s built, and we had some settling going on. The drive cylinder is about 2.5 feet tall that we use to push our push piers down until we get stable soil, and then we were able to pull that out and put our lifting system on and lift the house about an inch.
Are you working?
We dig down and find the foundation, and then we notch the foundation flat from the footing. We put our bracket on the bottom of the foundation. Then we attach a drive stand. You'll see that it's a big silver bracket that goes onto the bracket that mounts onto the foundation, and then we put our drive cylinder on top of that bracket, and then we use that complete system to push down and get our soil. As we drive our push piers in, each section we record the drive pressure it takes to push them down in the ground until we reach our optimal pressure. So by lifting it that inch, it helped the house back up because the front entry had settled a little bit and it helped it.